Here we go. I have just enough to fill those two. Yep, just enough in that bowl to fill both of those. I have 5 pints of chicken bone broth ready to go. Just waiting for the pressure to build up. The vent up here is on exhaust. And when this stops winding down, it'll show E10. There you go. And when the E10 countdown is done, you flip it over to airtight, and then the pressure canning will begin. I have 4.5 more pints waiting to be done when these ones are done. Alright, waiting for the 1 minute countdown so I can switch the valve over to airtight. There we go. Anyway, 75 minutes plus about 45 minutes to an hour, and then that will be done, and then I can put these other in. Alright, so the canner just beeped. 75 minutes of pressure cooking canning is over, and so just leave it sit. Do not flip the switch from airtight to exhaust. You don't want it to depressurize so quickly. So leave it sit there for at least a half an hour, 45 minutes. An hour is even better. Just to be sure, give them a chance to the pressure to go down and for them to rest for a little bit. And then when they're done, I'll take them out, put in some fresh water, and put in these cans here to pressure can these as well. So I'll have 9.5 pints of chicken bone broth. And I had a little bit. There's a little bit in the bowl left, so I warmed it up and I drank it, and it was delicious. So I'm very happy with that. So it's been about an hour since this first batch of chicken broth finished, and the pressure's gone. Oh, ping ping. I like that. All right, let's get the first one out. Sweet. nice and clear, nice amber color. I'm gonna cover those up. They're still boiling. Bubble, bubble. That one hasn't sealed yet, but the other ones are sealed. So cover those up and let them sit. It's a little chilly. So put the towel on it so they don't cool off too quickly. And I'm going to let this cool a little bit. Actually, I don't have to. I'm going to go ahead and put the... I'm going to set these in there. I'm not... Oh, there goes my other ping. Hey! Alright, these are still a little cool. I jarred this up cold out of the fridge, and it's been sitting here on the cupboard, and it's only about 60 degrees outside. So these are still cool. I'm going to let these sit over this warm water from this last batch. And this little one. I've only got this one. I'm going to go ahead and put this in for the 75 minutes along with the rest. Just so it's done. I don't have a need for it right now or for the next few days that I can think of, so I'm just going to can it. But anyway, I'm going to let these sit in this warm water and warm up a bit. I don't want to can them cold. That would not be good. Could shock the jars and crack them. Uh-oh. It is sealed. So good. I now have 5 pints of homemade chicken bone broth.